Episode 12 Geeta Mosquita takes on the cops and cooks for Chatsworth KFC. This narrative is proudly brought to you by Polly Speaks For You. At Polly Speaks For You, we are committed to empowering individuals, especially those with disabilities or learning challenges, through innovative text-to-speech and voice recognition technology. Polly Speaks For You is more than just software. It's a tool for self-expression, connecting people with the world in meaningful ways. By blending the richness of history with cutting-edge technology, Polly Speaks For You demonstrates that every voice, whether preserving the past or shaping the future, has the potential to inspire. While we strive to make the story engaging, our primary focus is on storytelling itself. The visuals are secondary. We are showcasing the remarkable capabilities of text-to-speech software that bring these stories to life. Rajesh leans in, eyes wide with excitement. Alright, let me set the scene for this one. If you are from Chatsworth, you already know one important fact about life here: when you need the cops, you don't go looking for a police station. No. The locals know exactly where to find them. It's not by dialing 10,111, it's by heading to the nearest KFC. That's right, the legendary meeting spot for Chatsworth's finest is not a donut shop, it's the one and only Kentucky Fried Chicken. Rajesh stifled a laugh. And when I say the cops, I don't mean just a couple of officers popping in for a quick meal. No, my friends, you'll find the entire station at the KFC. They practically have a table reserved. And all. So, one day, Geeta, in all her enthusiasm and with the air of a local celebrity after her curry festival escapades, decides she's going to tackle her next big challenge. Rajesh, she says, I've been invited to cook for the Chatsworth cops at KFC. And not just any meal, I'm making the ultimate combo, Bombay curry with samosas and bhajiyas. They've never tasted anything like it. Now, this is where I'm starting to sweat. Okay. These are the KFC cops. They don't mess around when it comes to their fried chicken, and here Geeta was, thinking she could win them over with curry and samosas. But of course, like a good husband, I say, yes, dear, while quietly preparing for the absolute chaos that's about to unfold. Rajesh grinned and leaned in closer. We arrive at KFC, and you'd think we were attending a royal function with all the cops gathered there. The queue is out the door. People are ordering buckets of chicken like it's going out of fashion, and there's Geeta, marching in with her giant pot of curry, acting like she's Gordon Ramsay. And all. Shanti, of course, is right behind her, carrying a tray of samosas, her eyes darting around suspiciously, whispering, I hope this goes well. You know these cops. They like their chicken. You better not mess this up, Geeta. Geeta, though, is completely in her element. Don't worry, Ma, she says confidently, they'll love it. How could anyone say no to this face? And with that, she gives her best winning smile, even though I can see Shanti clutching her purse, ready to bolt at the first sign of trouble. The plan is simple. Geeta will serve her famous curry as a side to their chicken. You know, like when you get those extra KFC sides, but instead of gravy, it's curry. And trust me, this idea was bound to either be genius or a disaster. The cops start filing in, and the first officer, Constable Naidu, is handed a plate. He looks at it, a little confused. There's the usual drumstick and chips, but then there's a ladle full of curry sitting on the side. He squints at it like it's a crime scene. What's this? He asks. It's a Bombay curry. Geeta says proudly, beaming. It'll knock your socks off. Now, this is where things start to get interesting. Naidu, brave as he is, takes a spoonful. He chews. The room goes silent, like we are all waiting for a verdict. He swallows and blinks. This is not bad, he says. And just like that, Geeta beams with pride. See, Rajesh, I told you. But before anyone could celebrate, the other officers start piling in. The next one, Sergeant Moodley, takes a bite of his chicken with the curry. And then it happens, the sweating. The man's forehead turns into a waterfall of perspiration. What is this? He gasps. It's too hot. You see, what Geeta forgot to mention is that her Bombay curry? It's not just any curry. It's a fiery inferno. Even dragons would need a glass of water after eating it. The officers start fanning themselves, rushing to the drinks counter for Coke after Coke, gulping it down like their lives depend on it. One officer, I swear, was about to use his pepper spray to cool his mouth down. And all. At this point, Shanti is already muttering under her breath, I told you not to make it so hot, Geeta. But you never listen. Now look. The cops are burning. In the middle of all this chaos, a bucket of chicken topples over, and before you know it, the whole place erupts into a full-blown frenzy. Cops are trying to get their hands on some plain chicken to cool their mouths down, and Geeta is desperately trying to explain, it's just a little spice. It's good for you. Meanwhile, I'm just standing in the corner, holding a box of chips, trying not to get involved. And the funniest part, after all the commotion, after all the sweating and panic, one officer, Lieutenant Govinder, comes up to Geeta, gives her a thumbs up, and says, best curry I've had in years. You should open a restaurant. Geeta, smiling like a queen, turns to me and says, see, Rajesh? I told you it would be a hit. Rajesh bursts out laughing. And that, my friends, is how Geeta Mosquita took on the Chatsworth KFC cops and survived to tell the tale. Next time, though, maybe we'll tone down the spice just a little. And all. If you are enjoying this story, please remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue creating content that educates and empowers. To learn more about South Africa's leading accessibility software and to support our dyslexic-friendly initiative, visit www.polyspeaks4u.co.za. Drop a comment if you want more information. Thank you for watching this video.